Hello guys, kami ay nagbabalik para sa panibago na namang PR Reacts at kumpleto kami ngayon. Yeah!
No. Also,
no.
What?
No, bro.
Unsa man na dong?
Unsa man ni dong?
Wait, what the fuck? Hey, yo, Chris, ano yan?
Whoa,
what the
delay.
fuck was that? Yo. Hold on.
Don't worry about
What's
No,
all
don't
this,
worry.
son?
Don't-
Ibalik mo yun,
don't
ibalik mo
worry
yun.
about
Ano meron?
Don't worry
Ano
about
yun?
it.
meron?
Ibalik mo yun. Ibalik mo yun.
No,
Ibalik mo yun. Ibalik mo yun. No,
Ano meron?
I am not worried about it. Okay, I'm not worried about
It's
you.
used
I'm
now.
worried
But-
about you.
Don't
What the
worry
fuck was
about
that?
it, man.
But nag-upgrade na ba siya?
Siyempre, big boy na siya eh. So, kailangan, ano na, yung kakasal
Light.
na, diba? Ano, hindi na
Malaki
Light
yung
na, bro.
ano.
nakasal
It's
yung
not the
ano eh.
light, bro. It's the hard, bro. The hard.
What?
You know what? He ruined it. He ruined it.
Alright, let's start.
Start, you ruined it, bro. You ruined it.
Let's go.
Like always, bro. Like you always fucking do, bro.
Let's start, boys. Alright. New post tayo.
Anong new
Siyempre,
post, gago?
si
Wala na.
Gerard agad ang umpisa.
We know exactly what this fucking PR reaction is gonna be, okay?
I know, right?
Kita sa kanan pa
Gonna
lang.
be Yakult, bro. I can already say. I can already know.
The Jackalt, bro. The Jackalt era, okay? We're doing this now para maano na, okay? Mapakatay na yung Jackalt era, okay?
Yeah. We're ripping
Stop
off
it,
the
ah.
band-aid. Okay?
Minsan, pinangarap ko ring maging Yakult. I mean, makapasok sa Yakult Factory. Wait, what?
Fuck you,
Nah,
G-Word,
bro.
you little shit. Fuck you. Ano mo, G-Word? Okay, next.
Next one. I will become a doctor when I grow up.
Damn, bro. Why did you ruin yourself? Why did you ruin yourself, sir?
Chris, why did you do that to your son, bro? He could have been a doctor, bro. Fuck, man.
This is one misconception about the Yakult thing. I did not jerk off in the fucking Yakult bottle, okay? Nilagay ko lang
Eh, ba't tumigas? Eh, ba't tumigas? Puhin na mo!
Bakit tumigas? Sinakoy ko ba sarili ko doon? Tanga ka ba?
Just buy a tenga, bro.
Doesn't matter, bro.
At least
done, bro.
comfortable ako na i-share to sa mga tao. Eh, ikaw?
You're done, bro. Scrap.
Oh, ikaw nakakamay lang siya nagka-Yakult. Wala na. You're cooked.
Pala eh, puta ka. Eh na. Get to his level, bro.
Ikaw, libre sa kanya 8 pesos
Diba,
ka.
diba Ken? Kaya natin mag-share ng mga ganitong impormasyon sa tao. Chanel, hindi.
Ba't parang pinagmamalaki? What's happening, bro?
Why? To be honest, no, for...
Expectation si Ivan.
Iba nga, singsing ang nilalagay eh.
Hey, what?
Okay, next. Utang.
Next one.
Since ganito, yep, sabi na What? Sir!
Kasama mo.
Give me that Yakult bottle.
Give me that Yakult bottle, sir! But sir!
Drink. Get me.
It's a probiotic drink! Give me that bottle!
Ay, ganda ng pagkaka-edit eh.
Ganda na pagka-AI. Utang na, that's an AI, man.
Yeah, man.
You know what's messed up, you know, like,
Lactobacilli.
POV to ng hindi nyo nakasama. Okay, kailan mo ba sinabi yan, guys? Kasi nagising lang ako isang araw and then everyone's
That
like
was,
posting
that
Yakult.
was- that
And I
was-
did not get the context. I'm like, what the fuck is going on here?
No, that
Bakit
was
may mga
during
Yakult?
January. That was nung January reacts na recently lang na na-post, okay? It's basically someone posted, the guy was like, na-stuck doon yung kanilang sa Yakult. Kaya naman, sinabi ko rin na, I kinda did that once.
Nasa,
No,
sinabi mo
really
ulit ngayon.
don't.
Nas, yes. Tama.
Okay, next.
Yan ba kasama niyo si Khalil, ha?
Oo.
Putang ina, yun na eh. Sabi na nga ba? Next.
Yakult
Yakult ulit yan.
Next. Ayan na.
Puta yung the Yakult incident. Yeah, it's muted. Nice.
Hey, it doesn't
I can
bother me,
already
okay?
see yung kanan na yun, no? Recent media, bro. Mysteries that cannot be solved, bro.
I'm not regretting anything. I am comfortable sharing that shit because it's not an uncommon thing. Some people
Okay.
have done it. They're just not saying it. Okay?
Okay, so wait, hold on. So in other words, okay, since it's a common thing, you're comfortable with it. But the fucking slipper incident, it's
Shut
such
the
an
fuck up.
uncommon thing.
We do
Ayaw
not
mo
talk
i-share
about
yun?
it. We do not talk
Why
about
not
the slipper
share
disc.
that?
That's a common thing. Yung sa chinelas.
Yeah, it's a common
Kunin
thing.
ko na ba?
but
Nandun lang
fuck
ako.
you.
Nandun lang sa likod. Ayun,
We're
nandun
not
lang.
releasing the
Nandun.
slipper files, okay?
Bakit?
Nandun lang ako.
Why you
Hindi,
call it
Epstein
a
files, hindi sleeper
file?
files, bro.
Talking about the slipper files, that fucking files has been talked about in ages, man.
Guys, paabutin yung 5K likes, so we will release the
sleeper files.
The sleeper files, bro. The sleeper files, man. Do
Yung
it.
yung Yakult kasi self-confession Yung sleeper files, putang na, documented Putang na, ba't ka namin lalabas yan?
I'm just fixation yung gaga yung sleeper files na gaga.
Puta, lahat na lang
Documented yun
fixation
My
eh.
new,
At
that's
least
my day
magaling
of the
ako
word.
mag-justify yung mga baka ikaw. So
Wow. That's the most words
what?
Chris has said in a Reacts video, bro.
In a Reacts
In the
video.
first time 5 minutes.
But this whole reacts about him, bro. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, this whole episode is about him, bro.
Chris Reacts, bro.
Kasi
Chris
wala na
Reacts.
yung POV nang di nakanood yung Reacts na yun, no? Like, what the fuck?
Babalikan nila
Why
yan, so
people
more
posting
views.
Yakult?
Nice, bro.
Next. He's
He's
not
not
beating
beating
that.
his
It's just
meat.
literally.
His meat is Yakult.
Kapag ako walang nahanap,
No way.
ikaw na lang kaya?
Ano ka na itong audio na to?
Ano? Ano?
We're not surprised anymore.
At least you're now like you have moved past yung mga previous allegations. Yakult.
Tangina, parang palala ng palala. Like, puking na naman.
Hey, yo, Yakult. I'm not saying anything, but...
Baka naman.
Baka naman.
Baka naman. Sige.
Baka naman.
Player boy Chris.
Imagine drinking Yakult in front of the stream, bro.
I wonder.
You're getting reincarnated.
Ikaduhang
That time
lapag
reincarnated
na ako.
as Yakult ni Chris. Tangina, these people, bro. Puta, pinunungan ng Reacts.
Fucking memes just make...
Puta, this motherfuckers, bro.
Oh, tali, like ni Yasmin Bianca.
Utik, man.
Oh, tangina.
Yung nakita mo na ba yung picture ni Vinky? Dun sa
Yes,
pinost
I
niya.
did.
You're looking at you,
That's
gago.
literally him.
Tangina, may kadena eh.
It doesn't feel
Yakult lore, bro.
I feel free.
Oy, whoa.
What the fuck is this?
I don't know. Maybe it was the heat of the moment.
Ay,
Pero
what the
parang
fuck?
tangina, like, shit, I wanted to
Ay, alam
kiss
ko na
her.
to.
And then I was like, pwede ba kita halikan? And then I was like, slowly, sa cheeks muna.
I know this.
Until like, parang I was slowly going through her to the
fuck
to
was that?
lips.
That's
When
what
I blocked my
Men in
lips
Black
namin,
was
that's
that,
where
bro?
The, you know,
The kissing.
the hot, passionate thing happened.
Grabe ba yung
It's all good.
Oh shit, nawala.
Sa Mandela
yung
Effects na pala tayo eh.
What the fuck is
Sa Mandela Effects na pala tayo eh. He didn't say it. He didn't say it, bro.
I didn't say it, bro.
What the fuck?
I said
You missing
everything
the...
I said.
Justin,
I
oh my
literally
God,
just said everything I just said, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Tama,
Makes sense,
tama.
makes sense.
Tama.
Tama,
I don't know what you guys
tama.
were looking at, bro. I was expecting a Yakult edit there, bro. But wala, gag. Uy, ano
Can
to?
we stop?
Getting Guga
Can
food.
And get some Guga foods.
Guga
We
foods?
have Guga foods.
Guga foods at home. We have Guga foods at home. Guga foods at home.
I dry agent 8. This is Chris.
Inang
Bading eh yung comment oh. Yung comment ni Chris.
Like si 16 na yun.
Bading.
Bading, bro.
Is it?
Nice, bro. Nice.
Next.
Hey, yo! Incident.
See? See? You know what I mean, bro? See what the fuck you mean? This guy agrees with me.
Nasa ilalim na ng gano'n, boy.
The sleeper files, bro. Sleeper files, bro. The sleeper files, man.
Sleeper files,
Inang
man.
yan.
Nasa ilalim na ng tubig,
I
gago.
can't believe I haven't seen like a single proper screenshot of the sleeper
Hey,
files, bro.
at this
Like
point, it's
galing
just
pa
an
rin talaga
allegation.
sa ano.
Kaya ano yun, di ba? Kay John yun.
Yeah, ginanong ko yung laptop dyan eh. Sa screen eh.
Please,
Release it.
please, can you
Release it.
Bro, please upload mo na. Send it to me para ma-immortalize na ako. Baka mawala pa yung sleeper files.
Nasa laptop lang yun ako eh.
We need to preserve
Gago,
na,
kaya
bro.
nga
We
di
have
ko
to send it, bro.
ma-reformat yung laptop kahit kailan eh.
Yeah, we have to preserve it, bro. Just send it to Discord, send it to me, send
Oh.
it to everyone, bro.
Send it to G Drive.
See, send it to our members sa mga Patreons natin, okay?
What the fuck, man?
Oh, shit.
Oh, hell na. What the hell?
Sila na magpapakalat.
Oh, shit. Puta, Yakult, bro.
Siyak ko lang.
Yakulero 09, bro.
Di ko nga. Di nga ako nag-jump. Sa loob. Tumigas nga lang.
Oh, shit.
Na-stuck lang
The glass
dahil.
is half full.
Ito yung nakita sa what the fuck is this shit?
The glass is up empty. so,
Yan ang Yakulis, bro. The Yakulis. Let's fucking go. So 09, bro. 09, bro. Oh,
Tanga na,
shit.
ever since,
what the hell? Ba't parehas?
Parehas.
Literally the same thing, bro.
like legit, ever since lumabas yung video na yan, putang na, bungad sa akin ni Pyle Yakult. Putang, what the fuck is this, man? Tapos,
Yeah, yung Pyle is like, ano,
Like, legit,
Pyle is an
nakalimutan.
avid, viewer, bro.
like legit, nakalimutan ko na yung Yakult. Tapos, I never expected that it's gonna be a big deal that you put a fucking Yakult to a Yakult bottle. I wouldn't expect that it would be a big deal.
It's not a big deal, Chris.
Yeah, it's
If it was
not a big deal,
It
Chris.
wouldn't fit the Yakult, bro. You know what I mean?
Putang yun na.
1.5.
1.1k
Baka
likes.
naman
na.
ito baka naman kasi umihi si Chris lang, di ba?
What are you on about, man?
That's even
What are
fucking
you
worse,
on
bro.
about, bro? What are you
Why?
fucking
Di
on
ba
about, bro?
bawal ka
Just
umihi sa ano, di
scroll,
ba?
bro. Just
Ginawa
scroll
Only
it
the
down,
battle,
bro.
di ba?
Ginawa mo ba yun?
Ginawa ata ni Neil yun eh.
Putang
What?
ina.
No! Di ba pag
Deflecting-
sabihin natin bawal
deflecting
umihi
ka.
sa ano, uihi ka sa bote, it's a common thing. bro.
Bakit naman sa bote ng Yakult? Di magkakasya yung ihi mo doon. Ginawa mo ba yun?
Malay mo, di ba?
Malay mo,
I'm
ikaw
just,
lang
you
yung
know,
nakaisip eh.
I'm just giving some, ano.
Wala.
Oh, no.
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 Provide them si Ibon.
There's a story about that.
Yakult ka ni Chris.
Better than a freaking
Freaking
squid. Yeah, it's like that
That is
one
probably
episode
true,
na.
bro. At least hindi ka maano. At least lactobacilla yung susunggab sa'yo sa Yakult.
Tama.
Hindi, salmonella kagi. That's good, that's good, that's good.
Kaya na to, Bubonil. Rewatch
Nagpost
kasi
ng Super
nagpost ng
Mario.
Super Mario. Wait, double slap, bro. What the
Double
fuck,
strike
bro?
eh. May double strike gago.
Critical yung kay...
Kung sa MTG, may double strike. Tangin na, double slap eh. Puwi, ano na
Tanga
yun.
yung akin personal eh. Ako na sino comments, bro.
Na-block yung unang strike, tas puta.
Ano sila comments?
Restaurants. Live action gago.
Tingnan mo yung comments.
Restaurant.
That's
Live action.
That's love was personal.
That's last personal.
Yo, what the fuck?
Hey, yo, what kind of sauce, bro? Holy shit.
Hey, what the hell?
Pwede gawing proxy yan, gago. Pwede gawing proxy yan, tayo.
I'm gonna save this, bro.
Make that a proxy, bro. I don't know which card, but make that a proxy, please.
Next one.
I like this one.
Oh,
I really like this.
I love this one, bro. Sinare ko to eh.
Really nice, okay. See, we look so chill here, pero
Sugal,
the
ah.
reality is just
See, look at the picture
So far
sa
from it,
board,
bro.
see?
exactly, bro.
Tulog. Tayo na talaga na tong ano.
Kumunos
I
kayo,
look,
nus
so, I
gago.
look so tired there, bro. Holy shit. Exactly what I am, bro. Asa si John? Ay, katabi ko. What the
Dapat
fuck?
din yung nilalike. I
Ay,
like nyo.
Banirat
I
ka,
love
ano.
nyo.
Ah, ulit,
Thank
ko
you,
na
Matcha
yan.
Milks. Thank you, thank you.
Matcha,
Nalike
thank
mo
you,
sa
thank
group mismo, hindi dito.
Ay, hindi. Alinay ko yan.
Oh, see? Oh, wala. Oh, wala. Oh.
Wala ka, bo.
Gago, sinare ko yan. Okay, paldo ako.
Comment ako, okay?
Hindi ako nag-ano. ay.
Wala kang comment dito lang sa post. Okay.
What the fuck? That's so fucked up, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Ay, next.
Yan,
Sino
ito,
na ba yan?
Yes.
Yeah, that's
Dylan.
Dylan, bro. What
Damn,
the
Dylan,
fuck
bro.
were you guys eating there, man?
Chicken, chicken.
Ito yung bagong bukas na ano dati.
Eh, parang sarap ng kain niyo dyan, ah.
Manok.
What is that?
Ano.
Yung nga.
Ina talaga.
Ay, tagililin eh.
Taka na
Tasting the most anak ko
the way you say it.
Yan, putang yan. Damn.
Yung ano ni Mike ko to. Niluwa. Wow, what the fuck? Marami na pala pinagdaanan yung bibig mo eh.
Grabe, gana yung bibig
I
mo
like the
lang.
Minecraft. I like the Minecraft damage sound.
Ayun na.
Poison eh.
Yan ang meme.
Yan ang meme gaga.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, bro.
We still
Sabi
think
yung
about
maso.
Jaman.
Dapat nakita nila to. So good shit.
Oh my God!
Eh, nominate ka na. Nominated ka na, gago.
Ba't ako na nabunot?
Putang yan.
Sino yung putang ina na to? Hindi ko naman sinabi yun eh.
Yan pala yan.
Naalala ko na,
Yan pala
dati
yan.
nag-comment ka,
Yeah.
binan ka, dahil pala doon, tapos
May-
nakalimutan mo lang.
May nanalo ng content creator of the year, tapos nag-comment, sino tong putang inan to?
Sinabi ko talaga yun.
Sino ba tong putang inan to?
To ano po, to this event po, nagsasorry po ako.
Wow, wow, wow.
Pero-
Biglang kumail public apology.
Sino po yung putang ina talaga na to?
Yo, bit.
Hindi, totoo yan, legit. May ano kasi, di ba, naging issue yun eh, na bakit sinama siya dun sa, ano ata, sa content creator.
Pero back-end daw siya
Back-end
eh.
pala yun eh. Eh, dapat gumawa sila ng bagong ano nun. Ibang category.
Nagtanong lang naman ako.
Category.
Bakit ka na
Nagtanong ka lang pala.
Tanong pa nga yan.
Ano mo lang naman? Sino to putang inang to? Respectfully.
Respectfully, bro.
Kailangan mo lang yung respectfully sa uli.
Hindi ko nalagay, Lord.
Hindi mo
Sorry.
lalagay mo. Tangin, no?
Diba?
Oh, yun na yung context guys. Okay, sa mga nagtatanong doon sa naman.
At least nominated ako.
Dominated
Let's
na,
go.
palakpakan.
Sana manalo ka. Para pag nanalo ka, sasabihin ko rin, sino to?
Sino to?
Inang to. Disrespectfully. Okay. Disrespectfully.
I did not expect to see my shit here. I did not expect to see my shit here, bro. You fuck? Gaya nga ba?
Feeling ko, guys, tatanggap na daw si Manila ng mga birthday greetings. 500 pesos per birthday greetings.
Ano yun eh?
guys.
Ito yung ano may sinabi ko dito. Bakit ganyan ang tono ng boses mo? Are you mad at me?
Unsa naman ito?
Unsa man ito?
Unsa man ito?
I did
Ano ba
not
meaning nun?
Ano ba to, bro? Ano ba yun, boy?
Ano ba to boy? Ganun. Ano ba to boy?
Ano ba yan, boy? Ano ba yan?
Ano language yun?
Bisakol yun, oh. Bisakol yun.
Unsa?
Right, tumatanggap na ng birthday greetings.
Ambat to bay. Ambat to bay.
February 14 yun na lang i-approve mga idol. I love you, Jayboy Dizon. Ang gwapo ng pagmumukha mo. Nakita mo na ba ang mukha mo sa salamin?
Puta na, February 14 na pala to eh.
Ang totoo niyan, pulubi at tagahugas lang ako ng pinggan. Nakikita mo ba yung nasa likod ko? Hindi talaga village yan.
Yeah, what the fuck is this, man?
Saka hindi ka naman talaga scatter.
It's an
Hindi ka naman
apology,
talaga
not a fucking,
squatter eh.
ano?
Nakita mo ba
Sige,
itong
tuloy mo.
laptop? Gusto mo ibigay ko na lang sa'yo, ha? Sige na mag-ingat ka palagi. Time na ako.
Man, this is ain't rage, bro. This is post not clarity, man. What the fuck is this shit?
Basahin mo yung comment. Basahin mo yung comment.
Alfred,
Oh
after
my
1 month. like
Hello, man.
Look at this shit, bro. It's you.
Ito, pinakauna.
Yan, nasa,
As you.
ayun, nasa baba. Yung pangalawa.
Ito, Alfred after 1 month na magsimba.
After mapagmahal,
Alfred
bro.
mapagmahal version.
Sinabi
Sinabi
niya
niya
yan.
talaga yan.
Sinabi niya talaga yan.
Just lang nakakaalam.
Bumalik ka dito, Alfred!
Wala na, gagawin.
Next.
Taking a piss.
Okay, next.
Madboy 360.
Oy, Madboy 360, bro.
Yeah, beat the kid. I beat the shit. I beat that shit.
You beat that shit.
Look at this dude.
Out of that box. Fuck off, bro. Get your fucking feet out of my fucking camera, bro.
Ang tagal nito, what the fuck? Oh my god, I was probably
Look at you
13,
go, bro.
22, or 12 at that time, bro.
You were 13, 10 years ago, bro.
Oh my
That
god.
was like almost 20 years ago, bro. Can you believe that shit?
You were full of life when this was...
What is still going? Holy shit!
It's still yours still
I told you, man, you were full of life.
Minute and 30 seconds. huh?
going, bro.
Madboy 360 Mugs, Manila Mugs. Fuck!
Bro.
Beat the kid.
Oh shit! Hey!
Sige!
Okay, wait. Editors, can we make John dancing an outro for the... Can we make this an outro, please? Can we make this an outro, please? Please! Outro, please! I want this an outro. Gawin mo outro to ngayon, ha? PR Aaron, gawin mo outro to. Okay. John dancing, okay?
This is our episode na
For this episode and for the future episodes, okay? ng Pinoy.
Hell no, what the fuck? What do you mean?
You need John dancing, bro. We gotta immortalize you, bro, on an outro.
Fuck, man.
Next.
That's like
Next.
15 years ago, bro. Fuck.
Grabe, gupit ni Idol ka
Puta
na.
na lahat. Ayos gupit ah.
Gupit ko dyan ng fuck that shit, bro.
Ano?
I regret.
Nah, bro. Magandang gupit na yun, no? President Hidalgo, gago.
Girls, cosplayer, gamer, tagat bantay ng com shop.
Oh!
What?
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 Kwento mo ata, no?
Benta mo yata
Ano,
doon.
pati si Lil eh.
I don't get it. What?
Bro, is fresh, no?
PR podcast
Wait,
episode.
what is the context? I forgot.
Yung bata ka pa ata.
Ano meron?
Oh, panood ka na lang ulit doon.
Crush mo ata yung tigabantay ng computer.
Damn, bro. You guys reacting to a post. We reacting to you guys reacting to a post. oh.
That's right.
Yeah.
May mga
Context.
ugali kasi yung mga bantay dun eh. Kasi parang pili mo pag pupunta ka, parang nayayabang ka. Tapos pag iba yung bantay, yung paborito mong bantay, sobrang bait na parang nakakausap mo pa.
Sino ba yung bantay na yun?
Yung parang anak ng computer shop. Putang ina, sobrang ano yung...
Ng computer shop.
Tirador ka pala ng
Tirador
anak
na.
ng computer.
Yung
Parang
tingin,
nandang si Chris doon, ah.
yung tingin baga sa akin, putang ina, parang ano, parang papatayin ako or
Kinikilig si Chris,
something.
oh.
Lalaki yun! Putang ina!
Ay, gusto mo pala lalaki, ha?
Yung ano, yung
Sounded like a
suplado,
really
tapos
nice story,
yung
Chris.
delivery ng pagsasalita, parang aawayin ka.
Alam ko, nanonood si Pinky ng Pinoy Reacts, eh.
Kasing bantay, Hindi welcoming. Kaya hindi ako mag-extend ng oras hanggat hindi si
Sino?
ano, si Talubs yung
Talubs!
Bantay.
Talubs! Shout out sa Talubs!
Ito, okay,
Talubs, bro, bantay ka na,
I think
Talubs.
we're on the wrong track here, okay? Yung putang ng bantay na yun, I fucking hate that guy, okay? He's always mad, he's always
Nah,
mad.
bro.
He's always mad.
bro.
Ayoko
Nah,
mag-
bro, bawal
You're being a
Ayoko
tsundere on that
mag-extend
guy.
ayoko mag-extend sa kanya kasi putang hindi siya mabait, okay?
Bakit nagbago na po? Hindi ka naman umuwi doon.
Bigyan kita ng idea ng post ako eh.
To.
Ano yan? Yung kalaban, ano yan, I imagine si Binky. Tapos ang kalaban niya, Yakult, tapos si Bantay sa kapit.
Ang inagatapost right there, bro.
Boyfriend mo si Chris, pero kalaban mo yung Yakult.
Yakol tsaka yung bantay sa kupit.
Hoy, hightail na.
next.
Uy,
Hightail.
Hightail na wala eh.
I hated that, bro. Holy shit. Fucking bear traps, man. Okay, that. What? Not gonna lie, what? Not gonna lie, what?
Tingin na talaga ako. Pag in-upload, pag na-edit ako muna, pag na-edit na ni Erwin yon.
Ano mo?
Hindi.
Sino ang naglagay ng bear trap dun sa kama ko? Na walang umamin, sisirain ko
Ayun
yung
na, hindi si
bahay.
Chris at saka si Gloco.
Sisirain ko yung bahay, promise.
Amogus.
Walang makakapigil sa akin, sisirain ko yung bahay, tol.
Oh, makikita mo sa video kung sino naglagay.
Nakita mo sa video kasi.
Sisirain ko talaga yung bahay nun. Butik na yan. Maghanap na kayo ng mod na hindi nasisira yung bahay nyo.
Okay, next.
Cortisol level, bro.
I actually like this.
Yan
This is
ang
one
ano,
of my favorites.
ginagawa ng pera sa atin, okay?
This is one of my
Yung
favorites.
ano?
Dapat tinanakaw mo na to kayo, tapos pinupost sa page.
Ginagawa ng pera
Pinupost
sa
sa
atin.
page.
Bayad yan, boss. Di sa atin si try nila, hindi bayad.
Eh,
Ito.
wala pang bayad yan, boy. Wala
Gago yung
pang bayad
bagong
yan.
i-upload na vlog. May ganyan, marami. Gago.
Low cortisol, man. That looks kind of mid cortisol, bro.
Ano, expect that?
That's good, that's good.
That's nice.
Actually, bro.
Hindi, bro. Kung na lang sumayaw, si Chris tsaka si Gloco. Para masama sila dyan.
Yung mapapasayo si Gloco, paldo na siya eh.
Paldo tama.
Kasi hindi ko kaya sumayaw.
Si Chris, mapapasayo ba si Chris?
Oh, pasaya mo si
Ano
Chris.
yan.
Sayaw yan si Chris. Masaya yan.
Alam mo na, nag-isip na palagi si Chris. Alam mo na gagawin, no?
Alam nyo na guys, ha?
Alam niya na
Just
gagawin
Yakult
na.
is location. Nasayaw yan.
Yakult
Next.
Walang makaption.
Tangina. What do you mean?
Naka-zoom sa mukha, eh, no?
Hindi ta nakatingin
First
sa
person.
akin.
First person kasi.
You know the deer meme?
What dear meme?
Deer meme? You don't know the deer meme? Yung parang may certain, there's like a certain angle na naka-close up yung camera sa deer. Parang
Di ba kabayo yun?
Kabayo ba? Hindi,
Kabayo
that's a
yun.
deer, man.
I thought it was like a horse, bro.
Fucking dog.
Fucking dog, bro. Fucking dog. Look at that shit. That dog.
Postura. Postura ko ngayon. Yan ang postura mo.
Parang bago ano, university.
Postura ka.
Unang palag.
Unang
Ito, suntukan daw kayo ng bata doon sa kanto.
Sino kaya ito, no? Putang ina.
Honestly, fucking John looks like that kid that tried to beat me up, bro.
Exactly,
Yeah,
bro. Maybe that was me,
same,
bro.
It looks like,
It's him,
it looks
bro.
like him, bro. Holy shit, bro.
Yung mahilig man Nick Mora.
Damn, bro.
Ganun.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, that's nice.
Yes.
Ito yung paalis na siglo ko.
Ayun nga, no?
Yes.
That's true. Shit. Timely. I just uploaded that fucking vlog.
Damn, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this shit?
Ay, ano sa Arbidariat, gago.
Wait.
For ending. Ay!
Gagano niya. Gagano niya.
Ikot ni Chris.
Mekos na si Dili, gago.
Kainis eh. Nahilot talaga ako ng Poké.
Ikot-ikot yung POV.
Okay, next. I'm so
Okay,
bored.
ito. Kay Carlo Ramos. I'm so bored, so I made Gloco on WWE 22. Eh.
Ay, na, umang
Putang ina,
Fuck.
uso,
Pala,
eh.
ganyan din, ah.
Girls legend yung puta.
Tangina yan yung intro song mo. Wow, what the fuck?
Let's fucking go.
You're so anime, bro.
Siri, gago.
Creator, best known for his comedic gaming videos, let's plays, vlogs, and anime parodies and live streams. He also streams regularly on platforms like Twitch and Facebook Gaming, and is recognized for his energetic personality, love of anime, and variety.
Gaming was
Energetic personality.
Energetic personality!
Energetic personality.
Energetic personality, bro.
Content beyond just gaming. So when are you gonna dub Squid Game? We don't know.
Kailan mo daw ito Squid Game?
Yeah, ganyan.
Tangina, dapat high energy din yung entrance niya eh.
Wow, may ganun pa.
Fucking weeb.
Who's the template for this shit?
Ano naman?
Inang yan.
Is this like a fever dream or
Wait,
some
we're
shit?
gonna get copyrighted with this song, bro. What the fuck? Mga copyright tayo song na.
Ibahin mo na lang, editor. Ibahin mo na lang.
Ayaw mo na lang.
Next one.
Wow.
Okay, nice, man.
Uy,
That is
gago.
nice.
Use the C100.
Na,
C110 for that.
problema, di na gumagana.
Oy, tangina nyo. Pagkanahin nyo, please. I'm actually...
Gumamit na na.
Ano kaya na?
Gumamit
Di-
kung di pinagas. Ngayon, wala nang gas. Di na gumamit.
Sino kaya yun?
Sino kaya yun? Sino kaya yun?
Sino kaya yun? Oh? Sino
Sino kaya yun?
yun?
Gago.
Magana na ba, John?
Gago, di ako nakabili ng ng Jerry ka no.
Labas.
Ay, Jerry, yan, bro. I'm actually like doing like this secret thing. Okay, may nagbebenta ako sa eBay. Okay, I'm selling like my fucking extra cards. And that's ngayon parang unti-unti na kumikita na siya. Okay, like I've already I think earned 300 pounds just by selling my fucking cards. Simulan na pumunta ako
Damn,
dito,
bro.
which is kind of nice. Pero ang ginagawa ko, like I'm trying to like make a way.
Pinabalik mo, bumibili ka rin, no?
Hindi. Wala. Ang goal ko, ipunin ko yan hanggang makabili ako ng Super Cup. Okay.
Oh, damn, that's the goal, bro.
Doon ko kukunin yung pambili ko ng Super Cup dito sa UK, okay? It's purely from cards, okay? Yung cards natin, gagawin kong super. Pero it's still a work in progress. It might take another year or no. Anyways.
Next.
iPhone
I can't believe it's
Same energy, gago.
When art imitates life, di ba?
Tama. Okay, next.
Oh, shish. Ala, dito na.
Na-react na natin, no? Ano pa ba? Baka may ano ba?
Baba mo.
Oh,
Wala na tapos na.
idol.
Yeah, we fucking did it!
Yay!
God.
Damn, now imagine kung weekly to nire-record, edi ubos palagi.
Tama.
Magpasa
Kaya alam
naman
nyo
kayo.
na, guys, di ba?
Magpasa naman kayo, guys. Ano, siyempre.
Sa Jackal era, okay? We're done with the Jackal era, okay?
Basta tayo sa Jakarta, please, ah.
We killed it. We killed that meme, okay? We killed it already. Ano kayang next? You know what? Actually, ano kayang next? We shall find out.
Mga restaurants.
Susunod na Pinoy's Pod... Ay, Max! Sorry. Di pala kayo host. Take it away, Neil.
Take it away, Neil.
So guys, na-reacta na namin lahat and I'm disappointed dahil OT lang yung pinasa nyo!
Oh, you're gonna be
Buti nga may nagpasa. What the fuck, ba?
Buti nga may nagpasa. Fucking
This is actually more than I expected, to be honest.
Totoo
Ito,
ba?
record
Maraming
like an
salamat dahil ramen yung pinasa. O, di ba?
diba?
Boxes. I take boxes. Okay, boxes, bro.
Tarantado.
Akin na.
Ayun o, umiinom eh. So, syempre, maraming salamat sa dear Patreons namin kahit wala kaming nabibigay.
And also to our dear members din sa ating.
Yes, dear members, kung anong gusto nyo, comment nyo lang dyan. Pakabigay namin. Wag lang pera. Okay?
Show it, Chris. Show the thing, Chris. Chris, show
What
the thing, please.
Oh, there's
Show
no
the thing.
man.
No, show the
Show
thing,
it.
Chris. Okay, pang
There's
ano yun,
no
pang
thing.
ad placements yun, okay? Show the thing. Show the thing.
Tama, tama.
There is a thing. Just show it, bro. See that?
What's your
this?
sleepers?
Yan.
What's your sleeper advantage, ha?
Putik na
Anong
yun,
sleeper
bro.
mo ngayon, Chris?
Ano yan, bro? Ulo pa lang,
see that?
gabraso na. Damn.
See that, Brad? Okay, your product could be there. See that? Your product could be there. I'm talking about you, Yakult. Ay, ba
Tama,
kayo
tama.
na yung delight mga ano? Nah, man, you gotta want that.
Tama. Guys, ganito na lang. Share nyo tong video na to and tag nyo yung Yakult.
No, what the fuck? Yung makita nila, bakit tayo tinatag dito? Mas malalaman nila yung context. Tarantado ka pala eh.
Ang ina mo pala eh.
Hindi naman tayo.
Just fixation.
Kaga may losot si Chris.
Ano, try nila tagpang bobo.
Just fixation tayo gagawin.
Tangay na hindi sponsor bibigay sa atin to. Losot.
Cease to desist. Kailangan niya.
Alright. That is it. Thank you so much, guys.
That is it, guys. Thank you so much for
Salamat.
watching. Kita-kits sa next PR Reacts.
Masayaw na, John. Pasok!